How to use the menu in Nicepage. We get many requests on how to export a project with the menu, and then to make it work in WordPress. This demo shows how to do that in Nicepage, and that it is not very difficult. Imagine you have a project like the one you see on the Nicepage Dashboard. Click the Home page to open this page in the Nicepage Editor. You see the header section with the menu. We used the menu added by default with the header section. Please note that you don't need to do any additional settings for the menu. The menu items correspond the pages and their order you have just seen on the dashboard. Switch to the dashboard. Let's change the page order. Back to the editor, we see that the page order in the menu has been also changed. Let's export to WordPress. In the export dialog, select WordPress. Enter the name and verify that you are exporting both the theme and the pages. Click the Export button. Next, we will show how to import to WordPress. Open your WordPress admin. Select Appearance Themes. Click Add New. Click Upload Theme. Choose File from your local export folder. Click Install Now. Activating. In the opened Install Required Plugins screen, click the Install link in the Nicepage row. After the successful installation, return to the WordPress dashboard by clicking the link. You see the message asking if you would like to import the content. Click the Import Content button. After the content is imported successfully, visit your WordPress website. Click the website title in the top bar, then the Visit Site link in the drop-down menu. Most of WordPress sites are set to show the blog page by default, and that can be changed in the reading settings for your WordPress website. You see the menu is imported and shown. Click the Home page link to see that the website pages have been also imported successfully. Next question about the menu is how to add submenu items. The dashboard does not allow to create a menu structure with subpages. Therefore, we will need the special menu editor. In the Nicepage Editor, select the menu. Click the Edit Menu button in the Context toolbar for the menu. In the Edit Menu dialog, add an new item. Make it the sub-item by moving this item under another one and shifting to the right a little. Note, sub-items are not seen in the top level of the menu. They are shown in the drop-down list while selecting the parent item. There are only 2 levels of sub-items in Nicepage. Add a new sub-item directly under the existing one for the parent. Rename sub-items. Renaming items and sub-items in the menu does not change the page names. Change the order in the menu by simply moving sub-items and items. You can move items and sub-items as you wish, as reordering is not bound to the levels. Add a new sub-item. Click the Delete button to remove. Deleting items and sub-item also does not remove pages. Therefore, it is safe to do any changes in the menu. Click the menu item containing sub-items. The export and the import to WordPress is done similarly, as it was shown earlier. Please only note that for WordPress, you should export the zip containing the theme, the plugin, and the pages. Lastly, you will see how to do the menu for the mobile views. Since the screen width is not enough to fit the expanded menu, usually the menu is changed for the hamburger button in the mobile views. You can customize each responsive mode easily, as all editing features are supported in all responsive modes. It is explained in our video about the responsive modes. Now let's change the menu to show the hamburger icon for all devices starting from the desktop. Select the menu. In the right panel, select the Button Mode tab. Once you click the tab, a dialog informs you that the editor switches to the table mode automatically. Click the desktop icon in the Menu Button From option to show the hamburger menu from the desktop view. Switch to the desktop. You see that there is a hamburger button in the desktop view already. Clicking on the icon opens the off-canvase menu, which will be explained in one of our next demo tutorials. Click the preview. Please note that the submenu is also available in the off-canvase menu. We have finished our first introduction to using the menu in Nicepage. We hope you like it. Click the link in the description to try how it all works by yourself. Please click like and subscribe for more videos that will help you to boost your design experience. Leave comments on how we can make all this better. Thanks for watching. Bye.